Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm hoping to start bringing the channel back and doing more things, and wanted to see about getting a new camera. Was going on Amazon and found this NTMHCTA mini body camera with audio and video recording. You can see it's labeled the Pocket Camera Portable. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and kind of see how everything looks, learn a little bit more about it, and then hopefully do maybe a side-by-side comparison of the video tomorrow when the sun is out and there's a little bit more daylight. This is like compared to what I'm recording on right now, which is just an old iPhone 7. So anyway, but this has not been opened yet, so this thing apparently has Wi-Fi to the phone. And I'll take a little bit of a break after I unbox it and look at everything and share some of the features that I learned about it. So, alright, so we have this little guy right here. Wow, that is tiny. It's like a little GoPro on a stick, a little tiny one. So, and then we have our screen here. Several different buttons. And on off, power, looks like there's where micro SD card would go. All right, we'll clip there. It looks like we'll have a screen right here. So we have that in the wrapper. And all right, so this one came with a 64 gig SD card. Nice. Like okay, so we have a little mount. This can stay vertical if needed. Nice. Looks like our charging cable, SD card adapter, so you can connect it to your computer. Looks like another sort of holder. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. And then, oh, a little tripod. Oh, cool. Excellent. So this one's very much weighted, but then we have our tripod here. Okay. And as far as this one, so it looks like it would mount here, and then looks like that should be able to, I guess, strap around. Let's see. Alright, so yeah, you would mount it there, and okay, so that comes off, and then that can go, so it does sort of ratchet, I guess, and then I guess this would hold on to sort of a grip for whatever's connected to it. Okay. Pretty cool. And then in addition to that, we have our manual. Extra page. There we go. Alright, looks like English and Spanish, and that is it. Alright, I'm looking forward to giving this a try after I charge it up and share a little bit more about what I find. So I will resume this here a little bit later on.